Welcome to this tutorial on the CO2 Dragster. What you have here in front of you is a CO2 Dragster blank. See all the way around, it's got a hole in the back for the CO2 canister, and the sizes are all accurate to the wooden blank which you get. This is going to be used though for us to do a 3D printed CO2 Dragster. So what you need to do, you need to import this blank into your Fusion 360. So from your OneNote, you'll have here a page which is called blank, and you've got to right click and then just go save as. From there you can actually save that onto your desktop or somewhere else where you like and save. After you've done that, all you've got to do is come over here to File, select that, and you're going to import, not export, import or upload. So we select upload, and then for here we're going to select the file, and we're going to go to our desktop where we drop that, boom, and there's our blank, and we're just going to open that up. CO2 Dragster blank, it's going to be loaded up into Fusion 360. And it should be here on the side, come up. Then we can just open it up from there. So CO2 Dragster blank, there it is there. We double click on it and it'll open up what we have here. Okay, so step number one, after we've uploaded this, we're going to put in the axle holes. So where our wheel's going to go. So we're going to select here, and we're going to select on the side, and we are going to create a line. So we're going to go line here. We're going to go line type construction, and we're going to draw just a line straight through the dragster like so, and then green tick to accept. We're then going to press D on the keyboard, or we can come up here and press on dimension, but D will do it. I'm going to select on the line and select on the bottom of the dragster. I'm just going to take that over to the side. Now I haven't drawn this line straight, so it's not dimensioning this for me. So I'm just going to go escape. Get rid of that line, I just need to select on it and press delete on the keyboard. So I'm going to have a go at drawing it again. So over here, draw a straight line through. Great, that's a straight line. You can see the colour's changed. So now I press D for dimension, select, select, and yes, that's done to perfect 10. If it's not 10, you type in 10 and press enter. Okay, so here's the axle holes that we're going to put in. So selecting here. And I'm just going to draw in an axle hole here. I'm going to unselect the line type from being construction to being a solid line. And I'm going to create that at 3.5 millimeters, 3.5, 3.4, 3.5, and enter. It's my first hole. And I do that again over here. I'm sort of doing that anywhere I want. And I go 3.5 and enter. Great. Now I can dimension between the two. So I'm going to go D for dimension on the keyboard, select the middle of this hole and the middle of this hole, and bring down in a dimension and select again. So the distance between those is going to be pretty important for me, so I'm going to make that 200. You could make, because I'm going to make a short dragster. And the distance from the back here, I'm going to press dimension again, select here to here, and bring that down. That's 35. That looks pretty good. I might make it 30. And so it's all nice and compacted. Okay, great. So after I've done that, I'm just going to go finish sketch. I'm going to rotate that to my view by pressing shift button and the scroll button on my mouse and rotating it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a cutout. So I'm going to zoom in with my mouse and select on that circle. Then I'm going to select on that circle. I'm going to cut it all the way through. I'll just zoom back a bit, and that's the end of this tutorial where you can move on to the